regiments joined the Red Square in the middle of a snowstorm, following Stalin's call. The tanks came directly from the front, well armed. The Germans could attack at any time. But Stalin's speech galvanized the troops.
Male and female supporters, the whole world is watching us and is waiting for us to crush down the hordes of looters and German invaders who died during the German invasion. Glory to our country, to freedom, to independence. Onward to victory under Lenin's flag.
In a few days, the Soviet army managed to stabilize the war in front of Moscow. It's only 10 months later, in the summer of 1942, that of the greatest battles of the century will occur. We are in Stalingrad. It was the turning point of the Second World War. The Germans, who did not succeed to bring down Moscow, wanted to conquer this crossing point towards the oil of the Caspian Sea. They occupied 90% of the city.